the Earth. They are imaginary lines and are not drawn on the surface of the Earth. The horizontal lines are called latitudes, and the vertical lines are known as longitudes. What are latitudes and degrees of latitude? Let us go through an activity. Measure the angle of different places in the classroom with the help of a protector, pencil and paper. Draw a circle on a paper and write down the angles of the circle at 10 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree.
Yeah.
Latitude is an angle which
Yeah. कोई
ranges.
नहीं है, so the doubt check है. If you have any doubt in the revision part, you can ask me, so I'll re-explain you. Okay, the vertical lines and the horizontal lines. Okay, so vertical lines are called the longitudes and the vertical lines are called the latitudes. Right? Yes.
Latitude is an angle which ranges
Humera is
from
present.
0.
Humera. Okay.
Ma'am, can I read it? Ma'am, my turn is not came.
No, no, no. She will continue. Sukun will continue.
Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree north or south at the poles.
Ma'am, can I read Aina?
Yes, Sukun, continue, beta.
Lines of latitude run east-west as circles parallel to the equator. Draw a circle and mark a line of latitude with the help of a map. Mention the various countries through which that latitude passes. Draw latitudes at 5 north and south and write the names of the countries through which they pass.
Yes. So, what it is, here is an activity which once when you come to school, we will try to do that activity, okay? But lines of latitudes run east to west is to be importantly remembered, okay? And they are circles parallel to the equator. What are they? They are drawn circles in a circle way which are parallel to the equator, okay?
The equator is the middle latitude or the 0 degree latitude which divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres. The part of the Earth that lies to the north of the 0 degree equator latitude is called the northern hemisphere, and the part that lies to its south is known as the southern hemisphere. How many latitudes pass through our village or city? How can we find out?
Yes. So equator is the middle latitude, okay? Or you can say the 0 degree latitude, okay? What does it do? It divides the earth into northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, okay? क्या करता है equator? अर्थ को दो हेमिस्फीयर में डिवाइड करता है, एक का नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड द southern hemisphere. Okay, girls? Now, the part of the equator lies to the north of the 0 degree equator latitude is called the northern hemisphere, and the part that lies to its south is known as the southern hemisphere. Okay? Yes, Ilma, read better.
Okay, ma'am. Longitudes and longitudinal
No,
coordination of a place.
things to know.
Things to know. GPS, mobile phone, and Google. The exact longitude and longitude of a place can be known with the help of global pos- positioning
Positioning. Positioning.
positioning system in phone and satellites in space. Using the internet, you can get information about the longitude and longitude of your village or city by simply checking on the My
See,
Location
clicking,
option
clicking,
in your
clicking.
clicking.
Furthermore,
Longitude, longi, longitude and
हाँ बोलो.
longitudinal
Any doubt, anyone?
नो मैम, आपने मुझे बोला चाचा फोन के बाद।
But you don't interpret in middle for such small things.
Coordinates of a place. The vertical imaginary line drawn on a
Global नहीं, globe.
globe that run in the north-south direction are known as longitude. Find the following from the given map. A. Through which country does the 0 degree longitude pass? B. What how many longitudes are present in the eastern and western hemisphere re- respectively?
Yeah. Can
Respectively.
anyone say me the answer of B question? Rabia, can you say me the answer of question B? Rabia, can you answer question number B? Are you there, Rabia?
No मैम,
Read the question, Rabia.
Rabia is not there.
Huh? Sorry?
Rabia is not there.
Okay. Who will give me the answer? Modesta will give.
Yes मैम.
B question का आंसर दोगे आप?
Yes मैम, मैं रीड कर. How
रीड दो कि
many
क्या
longitude are
आंसर दे પછી
present
रीड
in?
करो. Yes, say. Rabia say, अरे say Modesta.
मैम मुझे नहीं पता.
क्यों? क्या मैंने नहीं करवाया ये?
लो
करवाया है.
आया है.
क्या है क्वेश्चन पढ़ो तो.
How many longitude are present in the eastern and western hemisphere respectively?
हाँ तो कितने लॉन्जिट्यूड है ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में?
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही.
ઈસ્ટર્ન અને વેસ્ટર્ન હેમિસ્ફિયરમાં કેટલા લોન્જિટ્યુડ્સ છે?
10.
કેટલા લોન્જિટ્યુડ્સ છે?
मैम नहीं पता, बोलो.
કેટલા લોન્જિટ્યુડ્સ છે ટોટલી?
180.
આખા ટોટલી 180 નથી બેટા. 180 ટુ ધ ઈસ્ટ એન્ડ 180 ટુ ધ વેસ્ટ. Total there are 360.
360.
Total there are 360 longitudes.
मैम can I read? I know.
Aina, did you answer my question? Who gave the answer 180?
Ma'am, me Zainab.
Yes, Zainab. Read beta.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to.
Major longitude. Number one, prime meridian.
Zainab, Zainab,
Yes.
Zainab,
Yes, ma'am.
Zainab, set your mic in such a way that we can listen better. You're not, your voice is coming very low.
1 second, ma'am.
Now it's clear. When you spoke 1 second, at that time it was clear.
Ma'am, can I read बहुत ऐसा? Ma'am, can
Read.
I read? I know.
Ma'am, now can I continue?
Modesta, she is reading, I guess.
Ma'am.
Zainab.
Yes, ma'am. I'm reading. Major, ma'am. Now my voice is coming.
Now it's coming.
Hmm? Major
Ma'am, your voice is
longitudes. Number one, prime meridian, Greenwich. The 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known as prime meridian. It divides the earth into two vertical halves,
Health. Vertical health.
eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It has longitudes extending up to 180 degree on both eastern and western sides. Since it passes through Greenwich, it is generally referred to as prime meridian as well.
Hello. What is prime meridian? Prime meridian is what, beta? It is a 0 degree longitude. What it is?
longitudes.
What it is?
Primary.
Yes, Ada, it is 0 degree longitude which divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. Which are those?
Eastern hemisphere, western
And
hemisphere.
sphere.
Exactly. Chalo, very good.
Ma'am,
See,
you
it
were
has not.
calling me? Ma'am,
What
can
is
I?
your good name?
Rabia.
Yeah, I was asking one question, but answer is already discussed. No
Okay.
issues, Rabia. It has longitude
Ma'am,
extending up to 180 degree on both, that is on eastern and the western sides, right?
ma'am,
Now
can I?
about uh, Arey, why don't you people let me speak also? Only one thing you want to answer, ma'am. Can I read? Ma'am, can I read? When I ask questions, everyone is left. Now we are discussing about international dateline. Yes, Zainab. What is international dateline, Zainab? International dateline. Who will say me?
Ma'am, can I say?
Who is it?
Modesa.
Ma'am, can I say
हाँ
Aina?
Modesta से. Say
Yes.
it, Aina.
180-degree longitude, that is known as international dateline.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can I Aina?
Okay. Some more
And
points
when
which
it
you want to add?
The international dateline passes the Pacific Ocean.
Exactly. Very good. Then
and ma'am, international dateline, when it crosses the line, then day and night are changes. Day and date
yes,
are changes.
very good.
It is not exactly 180 degree at all places.
Hmm. Very good. It is an imaginary line also you can say. Very good. All of you gave the correct answer. Yes, Aina. Now you read.
Number two, international dateline. There is only one 180-degree longitude, which is known as the international dateline. When one crosses this line, the day and date change. The international dateline passes through the Pacific Ocean and separates two calendar dates. It is not exactly 180 degree at all places since the line crisscrosses across mm, several time zones. This is because if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands. Then, and due to this, they might have 2 days and 2 dates on the same island. This might create confusion. Therefore, the line, when it passes over land, is shifted towards water bodies, and so it is not straight but zigzag.
Hmm. This question is again and again asked. Why is international dateline drawn zigzag? Right? So you should know this answer. See, like this way.
The Ma'am, can I continue?
Hmm. Continue.
Okay. The sun is the biggest clock of the earth. The time of an at any place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky and its longitude. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes in all, 180 to the east of the prime meridian and 180 to its west. In this way, a 15 longitude pass by the sun in 1 hour. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. Thus, there is difference of 4 minutes between two ad-
Adjacent.
adjacent longitudes. Therefore, the time is different places on the earth varies as per their longitudes.
So what is done for that? Standard time and standard and local time is decided. Okay, on the to avoid this confusions. Okay, is it clear? Yes,
Yes,
Modesa. Read the local time.
Yes, ma'am. Local time. The time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in the particular place is known as the local time of that place. If difference by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. When any longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 12 o'clock noon in all the places on that longitude. In this way, the local time of the place is decided according to the mid-noon. The place located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitude in the same country have different times. In a country, if the local time is different in different places, it can create problem in administration. How can one work in such situated? What must
Situation.
one do? Situation.
Situation.
Situation. What must one do to solve this problem? Let us understand.
Yes. To solve this problem of different times, we have standard times decided. Okay. Yes, Rabia. Can you say in your own words what is standard time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rabia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you say what is standard time in your own words?
Yes, ma'am. Um, uh, Country which is in the uh, sorry, place which is situated in the middle of the country, and the time which is at that place, that is considered as the standard time, means that is considered for the whole country. And uh, this time is fixed on the basis of longitude in a country, means from where the longitude is passing. So this is
Hmm.
not known as standard time.
Actually, to correct you, you are right. But એવું ન હોય always કે center of the country માંથી જ તે select થવાય. Important longitude ઉપરથી select થાય. એનું calculations હોય રાવ્યા. That
Yes,
calculations we
ma'am.
can not understand, learn for that. But yes, to understand how the calculation is done, I will send you the first question in your PDF. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written that first question answer? Long question.
No, ma'am, I have yet not written.
When you will read, when you will write, at that time you will come to know okay, how these times are calculated. Okay. Now, why? Okay, one more question. Why is standard time decided to avoid what? Huh?
Confusion, to avoid confusion in
Yes, to avoid confusions, right? To in a particular country, administration work कैसे होता है? एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वर्क कैसे होता है? कोई भी कंट्री में एक साथ होता है, राइट? मीन्स पूरे इंडिया में सुबह 7 बजे स्कूल खुलती है कि नहीं? मैं एक
Yes,
और
ma'am.
फिगर आपको दिखाती हूँ। नेक्स्ट लेसन में है वो। નથી આમાં નેક્સ્ટ સેકન્ડ સેમિસ્ટરની બુકમાં છે. Yes. Okay. Now
Can I read?
local. हाँ बोलो बेटा. Read करो.
Can I read, Bilakya Khadija?
Yes, Bilakya Khadija, you can sure.
Standard time. The standard, the loc.
Ma'am, can I read?
Bilakya Khadija, what happened? Hello, girls, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, anyone who has not got chance to read,
Ma'am, can I read?
what is your good name?
Chune Jalaiba.
Yes, Junechalaiba, you can.
Standard time. The local time of a place which is situated in the middle of the country. Countries is taken as the standard time of the country. That means that time is fixed on the basis of a particular
Basic नहीं, basis
particular
of
longitude
particular of a particular.
longitudes
Hmm.
in a country which is known as standard time. The standard time of our country is decided on the basis of 82.5 E longitude which passes through Allahabad. In Uttar Pradesh, this means if is 12 noon, in Allahabad it is 12 o'clock noon. Everywhere in our country, these make the continuance of the smooth
Yes,
administration of the country.
yes, Junechalaiba, this makes it convenient. पढ़ो लास्ट
Yes.
लाइन फिर से. Read the last line again, Junechalaiba.
Okay, ma'am. Everywhere in the country, these make it continents of the smooth
Convenient.
administration of what, ma'am?
Convenient. Convenient.
Convenient,
Hmm.
convenient
Hmm.
for smooth administration of the country.
Very good. Chalo. Understood everyone till here? Now we will see some things to know point. Yes, continue, Laiba.
Okay, ma'am. Thing to know. The longitudes to the east of Greenwich line are donated by the
Noted नहीं,
letter
denoted.
denoted
Hmm.
letter E, while those situated west are dominated by letter.
हेलो, मोदी सर, read बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Things
Ma'am,
to know.
sorry.
The longitude.
It's okay, Laiba. Moदी sir is continuing.
Things to know. The longitude to the east of Greenwich line are denoted by the letter E, while those situated to the west and denoted by the letter W. The international date line is also called IDL in short. If a country extends to a great extent eastwards and westwards, then if may have more than one
It
standard
may have.
it may have more than one standard time. The latitude to the north of the equator are denoted by the letter N, while those situated to the south are denoted by the letter S. The actual distance between two latitudes is 111 kilometer, 111 kilometer.
Yes, આશીને ખાસ યાદ રાખવાનું છે. The actual distance between two latitudes on the ground, okay, on the ground is how much? 111 kilometers. On the globe, nahi, on the ground, okay. How many kilometers it is?
111.
Yes, 111 kilometers, okay. Chalo, anyone any doubt till here?
No, sir. No, ma'am.
Yes, the longitude of the east of the Greenwich lines are denoted by the letter E, while those situated to the west are denoted by the letter W. Okay. The international date line is also called IDL in short. What it is called as? IDL in short. Okay. If a,
IDL.
if a country extends to a great extent eastwards and westwards, then it may have more than one standard time. Okay. The latitudes to the north of the equator are denoted by the letter N, while those situated to the south are denoted by the letter S. And the actual distance between the two latitudes on the ground is how much? How much? How much distance is there between the two latitudes? No one knows? Hey?
111 kilometers.
હા, 111 એમ નહીં બોલવાનું. ઓકે, શું બોલવાનું? 100.
111 kilometers.
The actual distance between the two latitudes is 111 kilometers on the ground. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
અને એ પેરેલલ છે એટલે બધે ડિસ્ટન્સ ઇક્વલ જ રહેશે. સમજાણું?
Yes.
લોન્જિટ્યુડ્સમાં ડિફરન્ટ ડિસ્ટન્સ થશે, રાઈટ? ચાલો, so by this we complete the reading revision also. Okay.